Good morning to everyone who has joined me on this wonderful journey which we have started. Okay, love you all for being over here and we were chit chatting. Yes, बात करो, बात करने से solution निकलने वाला है. And early morning routine को हम लोग जो set करते हैं उसके वजह से we get a power to do whatever we want early morning. The first thing I would love to is stop yourself from this instrument. Means when we are getting up early morning, okay, I'm sending you the link and everything. You have to open your WhatsApp and all that. But once you are in, उसके बाद में ये at least 1 घंटे के लिए avoid. The first 1 hour, avoid this. Okay. One of the most important point is give yourself the time to think, time to focus, okay, and time for yourself. If we are not doing this, then we are becoming slave for this instrument. के हम लोग को जो भी मैसेज आया है उसको मेरे को फॉरवर्ड करना है. Who is the first one to forward? Good morning, good morning, good morning. अरे ठीक है, everything is good about morning. Early morning you rise up, go for a walk, do some exercise. Very important that you keep your body fit. I am not telling you body बनाने का है तो bicep बनाओ, ठीक है. If you have that passion, go ahead, do that, not a problem. But then what you are doing, if you are not keeping your body fit, okay, every day by the half time you are feeling fidget. Oh my god, oh, I am so tired. All that type of mental problems comes up. 6 बजे तक तो बस है यार, कुछ करना नहीं है, लेट अस गो टीवी के सामने जाके बैठ जाना है. That is what most of us have been doing all year round. I have been telling people कि मैंने 2.5 years से मैंने न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ना छोड़ दिया है, which was like my passion. Early morning कप टी कप के साथ में जब तक मैं पेपर को चाट नहीं डालू, 1 hour I was just reading the newspaper. But then I realized कि I am wasting criminal waste of time. First page पे क्या होता है? How many deaths, how many accident, blah blah blah, all negative news. Is it going to help you to read the news? No. The best part of the news is way back, sports वाला, achievement वाला, सबसे लास्ट डाल के रखते हैं. Doesn't make sense. So for people who want to achieve more, you have to strike for it. And the first thing what we need to do is set up the morning routine. And I had said on the first day itself. So when we start, we may have 10 people, 20 people, and then it will go down. Why it will go down? यार ये फालतूगिरी नहीं सुनने का है और हम लोग को नहीं उठने का है. Okay, why should I get up early? Ask yourself this. Why? What is the reason you want to get up? One thing, you want to control your mind. Okay, so when you want to control your mind, what is going to happen when you are controlling your mind? You are telling your mind, boss, I am the boss. When you are put in an alarm of getting up at 5:30 and that alarm is going on, most of the time 99% ऑफ द टाइम वो स्नूज बटन को हम लोग दबा देते हैं, यार बंद हो जा, लेट मी स्लीप फॉर अनदर 5 minutes. तो व्हाट इज हैपनिंग? तो व्हेन यू आर डूइंग दैट स्नूज वाला कार्यक्रम, you are telling your mind, boss, you are the boss, I am not the boss. तो क्या होता है, every time something very important comes in, your mind will say यार छोड़ ना, and you will say okay चलो यार छोड़ देते हैं. The same thing is for life. Okay, अपने को काम करने का है, अपने को next level पे जाना है, we want to climb high, but we are not unable to. Why? Because we have given control to our mind. And when we give control to our mind, what is going to happen? It is always going to say, boss, आराम करने दो यार, कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. But think about it. When you are going to sleep at night, maybe 12 o'clock, or sometimes even late, okay, and you have already told your mind, यार कल सुबह को जल्दी नहीं उठना है. And what is going to happen? आप नहीं उठने वाले हो. But if you tell your mind, yaar, yesterday means today was a wonderful day. It was the best day for me. Okay, and tomorrow morning it will be the better one. I have to get up and keep my routine on. And believe me, रात को सोने के टाइम पे नक्की करके सोए हो कि मेरे को उठना ही है. ओके, 4 घंटे का नींद होगा, 5 घंटे का नींद होगा, उससे लेना देना नहीं है. एंड बिलीव मी, जब भी बॉडी को रेस्ट की जरूरत होगी ना, ड्यूरिंग आफ्टरनून टाइम ऑल्सो आप 15 मिनट भी सो लोगे ना, दैट इज मोर देन सफिशिएंट. जस्ट अ स्मॉल नैप ऑल्सो इज मोर देन सफिशिएंट. बॉडी ऐसा कभी नहीं बोल रहा है कि आई वॉन्ट रेस्ट. इट इज ओनली द माइंड विच इज टेलिंग आई वॉन्ट द रेस्ट. जस्ट थिंक अबाउट इट. व्हेन यू वर यंग, आपके एग्जाम के टाइम पे यू वर awake the whole night to write the exam, 3 hours exam during the day, and then again coming back, taking a nap, again starting, and next day again exam, and you are doing this on a continuous basis जब तक एग्जाम खत्म नहीं होता. कभी क्यों नहीं करते थे ऐसा कि नहीं मेरे को सोना है ज्यादा, और अभी क्यों कर रहे हो? Because we have trained our mind कि चलेगा, एटीट्यूड चलेगा. तो वो चलने वाला एटीट्यूड है, वो ही गड़बड़ करता है एज अ ट्रेडर, एज एन इन्वेस्टर. यू डोंट वांट टू मेक मनी, दैट इज द ओनली थिंग. यू हैव एन इंटेंशन. सोचते हैं यू नो माइंड के हिसाब से, आई विल बिकम करोड़पति, विच इज ऑलवेज ऑन पेपर. और ये मैं ट्रेड ले लेता तो आई वुड हैव मेड दिस मच, ये मैं ट्रेड लेता था आई वुड हैव मेड दिस मच. एंड दिस you know, that fantasy of thinking and become crorepati on paper keeps on happening. Okay, and this is going to continue. Believe me, this is what is one of the biggest road barriers. One of the biggest road barriers of a trader or an investor. You know, वो जब तक वो काम नहीं करने वाले हो आप, तब तक पैसा नहीं बनने वाला है. And this is the fact of life. Okay, let's open out. Anyone has any questions? Let take it. Anyone want to discuss something? Please go ahead. Yes, my mentor is here, Dr. Sunil Joshi. He is the one who has inspired me to get up early morning. And I am thankful to him because my morning routines, which have been there since the last 2.5 years, has helped me to achieve 10x last year. Yes, 10x last year. Last year, because of the shutdown or whatever, the reasons can be anything. Okay, reasons can be anything. Lekin that has given me the power, that has given me the basic success of going to 10x. During our Lonavala meet, I had that mission 10x, which was in my mind, and that actually went ahead, and I was able to achieve the 10x. And this year, I would, and I am in a process of repeating it again, thanks to Dr. Sunil. Wonderful way of going around. And this has started with my morning routines. And that is why I tell everyone, you have to have that routines in place. Okay. Give yourself that enough time early morning. Today's topic was not to touch this for 1 hour. Okay. And think about it, how much time you are going to get to do your 15 minutes of power exercise. Okay. 15 minutes of pure focus, what we want, pure focus. And this is what we discussed yesterday. 15 minutes of focus. Okay. And definitely reading something, whatever you want to read, something which will help you in your career to improve ourselves. And this is what I today end the topic. Love you all for joining me. This is going to continue. Whether there'll be one person also, I am fine. If I am like, if I am able to, help someone, like I got some inspiration from Dr. Sunil. Okay. If I am able to inspire few of you to join me in this wonderful journey, early morning routine, and in the journey of market, it is going to be wonderful. Love you all. Take care. Corona abhi bhi chalu hai. And if you like this, YouTube पे upload हो जाता है. Please share this with others also, so that others also get inspired to join the early morning routine. Thank you very much for joining in today. Tomorrow morning, again 6 o'clock, I'll be coming in. And if you would love to discuss with me, please feel open to talk about how you are, changing about, how this is going to help you become a better person, become a better trader or an investor. Thank you very much. I am Mayur Sampath signing off. Love you all.
Thank you, sir.
Bye-bye. Take care.